Good morning class. Today we perform the activity number 23. Object of this activity is to demonstrate the equation of plane in a normal form. Material required: paper, some straight pieces of wire and glue, etc. Now, how do we perform this activity? Suppose we find the equation of this one plane and vector n perpendicular to given plane, means this one plane, that is a vector n, that one, and this one is origin O, this one, and a point A is lie on the plane that is also given. Now position vector of point A is OA, and suppose that is equals to vector A. Position vector means this one vector, that is this one vector. Suppose we take another point P that is anywhere on the plane, that is lie anywhere of the plane. Suppose we take this point is P. Now position vector of this point P is this one. This one. Okay, that is a origin and point P is this one. Now position vector is point P is OP, that is equal to suppose small r, and AP vector, this one, is lie on the plane. AP vector means this one, that is O, and this one is A, and this one is P point, and AP vector is lie on the plane and N vector is perpendicular to the plane. So we can say AP vector dot N vector equals to 0. AP vector dot N vector equals to 0, and AP vector is equals to, how do we find the AP vector? AP vector is OP minus OA, and OP is R vector minus A vector. So AP dot N vector equals to 0 and AP is equals to R minus A. That means R minus A dot N vector equal to 0. R minus A dot N vector equal to 0 is equation of the plane. Now observation. A is the position vector of point A, means OA vector, and R is the position vector of point P, means OP vector, and N vector is perpendicular to AP vector, or AP vector is equals to R minus A vector. Okay, means R minus A dot N vector equal to 0 is the equation of the plane in normal form. Now next point is application. This activity can also be utilized to show the position vector of a point in a space.